Hi, I'm Kristen Ayers, and for my project, I have a couple ideas, but I'm really kind of steering towards one. So I'm on the West of the River Chamber of Commerce Education Committee, so we do a lot of like career day things. So I was thinking like online classes through them, maybe helping out with their department. But a lot of the people that I would normally be reaching out to are not working. Obviously, I know everyone is in the same boat. So, however, with that said, I am actually working. I'm an essential worker, so I work at a bank, but so I'm working. My boyfriend works as well, his regular job too, and we have three kids that are home. So my life is insanely crazy right now, and working at the bank, I do mortgages, and mortgage rates are extremely low, so work is insanely crazy right now too. So I'm trying to find a project that will kind of fit my crazy life and I don't know, something I guess that was going on. So, long story short, what I'm really gearing towards, and I have actually kind of already started talking about it at work, was doing like something basically like COVID hearts. Obviously, I'm sure you know that the hearts are a symbol now, kind of essential workers, and walking into my work, it's really depressing. Um, just honestly, even having to be there is tiring. But where I work, we're mainly based for municipal employees, so cops and firefighters are our main base. So obviously, they're all essential employees too. So my thought was to put hearts up all over the credit union. Then I kind of was thinking about it and I was like, well, maybe we could raise money um and like, cut out a bunch of hearts and have them all over, but also if you want to put a name of someone that's an essential worker that you know and love, that kind of thing, you put their name on it or your name, whatever they want, it doesn't matter. But any funds that we receive, I want to donate them to an organization specifically for COVID. I touch base with my the president of the credit union, and she likes the idea. Realistically, it's not really tied to my, I'm going to school for education, but right now, um, it's really hard to find anything for schools, and obviously, I'm sure I'm not the only one in that boat, but I thought that was a project that obviously I'm sure I can find some type of foundation that is specifically using the funds maybe to make face masks or stuff that I'd love to be able to do, but realistically, I don't have the time to do it. So if I could be a support possibly to raise money for a good cause, if that's really even a project, that is really what I want to do. Like I said, it would make my day happier just going around and seeing hearts everywhere. And, also with that added opportunity of being able to raise a little bit of money for people that really need it right now. Um, Kind of going down the rubric, the state of my project, if that is a good project, I guess. Like I said, I already kind of talked to my management team and they're on board, so I would have to really talk to the people I work with, kind of get them excited about it, figure out where we could do this, and kind of figure out what else we do. So, um, I need to find a group in an organization specifically for the purpose that I want. Um, so that's kind of one of my next things. In terms of finding a mentor, I don't have one yet. Um, I don't know who I could really, or who would be a good one for this. Um, Maybe the person at the organization I find. I'm gonna start looking probably tomorrow, for different, local organizations that I could work with. Um, and obviously, sharing an article, I don't know if I have to. um, Obviously, it's all in the news. It's everywhere right now. I hope everyone is staying safe and happy and healthy. And like I said, I'm working and going to school and homeschooling 3 kids. So wish me luck. And yeah, I hope that's a good start. I'm pretty excited about it. I keep thinking about it, and there's nothing really I can think of that right now, anyways, that I'm more concerned about, and for me is extremely in my face. So I hope that will work. And like I said, I hope you stay safe. And thanks so much.